This is Prasanna from Trade Zone, and today's video is about um, multiple stock breakouts, and we can also see what happened to the stocks which were given yesterday, and yeah, we'll get inside the video. So the first one is like I have found Apollo Tyres is one of the strong breakouts, and I do see some breakout pattern over the stock, and if more volume is getting added to tomorrow, I think that should be a subsequent move on this particular trade. And this particular Apollo tire, this has given a decent breakout at 222.10, and any price above this one, it start climbing until this one, and I expect a decent profit of 10%. So the idea is very simple. The stocks under 250 rupees considered to be can move until 10% subsequently upon the every breakouts, and the stock which is beyond 250 to 750, it is like you can book around 78%, and anything beyond 900 or 800 rupees of stock, those stocks tend to move 67% subsequently. As the prices rise, we need to cut short the run, and it's better to book your profits earlier. So that's the fair idea of this particular spin kind of trading. And yes, we may start this bigger PMS account kind of trading from tomorrow or day after tomorrow possibly. And I'm trying to kickstart as soon as possible. I'll keep you posted on this as well. So yes, first one is Apollo Tires, and I would also recommend the most potential ones in the end of the video. Please stay tuned, don't skip the video. Thank you. And the second one is Orient Pro. Orient Pro is like it has given a decent breakout. Also, please check the volumes, which I repeatedly say in each and every stock. It has given a considerable breakout over here, and from here it has given a 172. But don't rush and enter at 172. Let it retrace around 160 or 165, and from there it can move. So just wait for the retracement levels and then enter. So that's for this is a breakout, but I don't say enter immediately. Just wait until 163. It's a very good entry at 163. Let's see. And next one is Bajaj Finance. I'm expecting a strong up move if anything beyond 5771, and if the opening is above this one, just go for it. I think it's going to be a fair trade, and Bajaj Finance is definitely candidate for a breakout. And yes, so this is the pattern, and I'm seeing a strong volumes over here, build up over here, stops, and there is a decent consolidation phase happening. It's been in this range for quite some time. I think it should move by now, and it can head towards some decent 78% so profit is always possible on this particular stock. And next one is like Bodalchem. So Bodalchem is like it's a small stock. Again, we just aim to get some 10% over this one, and there is a subsequent volume breakout at this place. You can just enter near 114, 115, somewhere around it, and then wait for your 10% to get happening. And I think there is a definite move in this particular stock. So it has been in this consolidation period, and then so you can just mark a line. So you can just consider this as a range breakout as well. So I think that should be a subsequent move in the stock. So this is one of the potential candidates, Bodalchem. Just keep a note of it. And next one is Conquer. Then Conquer has given a weekly breakout, daily breakout, everything. So just concentrate and enter at the right levels. Don't hurry your entry. I think we have already missed the little trade, but then still we can enter somewhere. If you are getting near 638 or 640, it's a decent entry. Don't enter in a hurry and enter the high levels. It's not required. So I suggest it's a breakout, but just wait for retracement at lower levels. So Indian Human is another pipe is another company which is like a small company. Wait for the retracement. I think it has moved very great today. It is like 8% move, and I'm expecting some kind of fireworks in this particular stock, but just wait for the little retracement and see if we can buy at little lower levels. At see, let's consider this Indian Human pipe. This one you can enter near 197, and within 197 or even 200 is a good entry. And since it's I don't think it will come down much, but again, let's see, don't conclude, just trade accordingly as per the pattern. Just wait for the levels, and anything near 200 is a very good entry, or if it's at the 203 also, it's a risky entry. I don't say it's a I don't suggest that. Just wait for some retest, some kind of retracement near 200 or some kind of levels, and then wait for the boom. So expect a 10 percentage. 220 should be the target for this stock. So this should be the levels. I think this can be achieved for this stock. So this next one is like Just Style. Just Style has given a very good breakout at the support levels, and it's a trendline breakout basically. It's a descending trendline breakout, and I see a good volume here, and that's a strong breakout. I do suggest this stock immediately, and try to buy somewhere near 839 or 840. It's a decent entry. Then wait for your 8% or 7%, book your profits. So that's it for Just Style. And for next is MGL. MGL is given a symmetrical triangle kind of breakout, and there is not much volume, but the pattern is looking good. But if you have very less money, try just see this stock. Try to avoid this because this has given some volume, but it has the potential to move. Rather, we have more potential stocks. I can put the money in different stocks and diversify my capital. If you are such kind of person, then go for it. Next is Mtnl. It's again a strong breakout pattern in Mtnl. It's been in a move for quite some time, and it has made a decent consolidation phase in the last 7 days. So it's a very good candidate for a breakout, and again, enter at 19 rupees. It's a very good breakout, and expect a stock until move 24 or 25, or even then after 19 rupees, just 10 percentage. Just imagine 10 percentage is 1.9 rupees. I think 20 to 21, we can expect until 23 as well. Just hold on to it as much as possible. So your first target is here and second target is here, so just plan the trades accordingly. And sorry, oh, here the first target is here, the second target is here. Yes, so just hold on to it and trade accordingly. The next stock is like Satin. Satin is like it's a credit card company, and it has given a strong 1, 2, 3, fourth one. This is broken out beautifully, and it has taken near the support levels. It's a very strong breakout. I do consider this there is a decent volume happening here. In recent times, this was one of the greatest volumes, and I do see a strong upside over the stock, and I'm expecting a 10% boom from here. So let's consider even 9 rupees. It should be coming somewhere around 99 to 100 rupees of until this is the first target, and this can be the second target. So just trade accordingly, do your trial, and just keep moving. So next stock is like SONATA software. SONATA software is a great breakout. It has given a considerable breakout, and we think we need to stick to the ground rules of uh, yeah, SONATA software. Yes. So this one is it's a horizontal breakout, and it's a range breakout basically. It can also be a flat pattern kind of breakout. It has some volume. Try to enter near 629 or 630. Can be a support level, 633. I can think we can enter here and just hold on to it as much. 633 should be the right level for this stock, and hold on to it as much as possible. So it's a definite candidate for 7%. Definitely that will happen. Right now I'm just drawing this line. 633 should be a good entry, so that's what I'm expecting. From there, next is like specialty hospitals. I don't suggest this one. I see a strong breakout. It will move, but if you get it around 52 rupees, try to buy them. If not, just leave it, no issues. And this is super house. This is a strong breakout. It's been in the run for some time. Try to, it might consolidate for a period of time, or it can make a quick move, but try to enter at 140 levels. It should be a great entry. So next one is Techem. Techem is like a small stock. I mean, like it has given a very good breakout, trendline breakout, but then there is a lot of hassle over here. But it has given a decent trendline breakout. It's a 1,000 rupee stock. Plan it accordingly. So expect a 7 or 8%. So that should be more than enough for the stock, and we can expect as 1070 as a target for this one, and then more. So Vishwaraj is it's a very good breakout. So we have seen a strong breakout of trend line, and over here from here it might retrace until these levels, Vishwaraj, right? So Vishwaraj is like a strong candidate for a breakout. So I do recommend this stock, and we can enter approximately at 149 or to 150 rupees, which can be a good potential entry. From there, I think it can move further upside. So just keep your trials until then. Just try to make 10% for the stock, and then book your profits accordingly. So like just like that, you can also the William Maker. It's also a very good candidate for a breakout, and I think we William Maker. So this is stock, and it has given a very strong breakout at the lower levels, at the support levels. I think now here it's a very good entry at these levels, and or here as well. Wherever you get it, you try to enter there. Um, this will be a one of the good entries for 18 rupees for 0.4040, or even little higher. That's fine, but please consider the risk and reward, and trade your plan accordingly, and trade accordingly, and we can just sit near 18.75. It's a very good entry for the stock, and then so anywhere around 18.75 is a good entry, and next moving to the next stock, I think we can rush up with Suvari, which is the last one, and you can say this is not a good breakout, but see, uh, according to my view, I think it is a breakout over here, and it has tried to retrace some kind of, and it has tried moving up over here. But tomorrow, if it is something beyond 100.60, definitely it will move. So Zuari is a candidate for breakout, but it is not a potential breakout candidate. It might, but it has a very good volume. So take the risk accordingly. Try to diversify your portfolio, and just trade it. So I think that's it for today, and I'll keep you posted on my live trading sessions as soon as possible. And it's going to be a very big trading portfolio, and I'm going to allocate 15,000 rupees for each stock, and I'll take as much as stock as possible. Thank you so much for watching this video, and keep me posted, and mm, if you have any queries, call me. Thank you so much. Bye.